3 ways to help me get clients every single time. First of all, market yourself. Build a strong presence on social media platforms where your potential clients are most active. Show them that you're the expert and you know what you're doing by creating tons and tons of free helpful content. Then direct them back to your website where they can learn more about your services, your offers, and all the other amazing stuff that you can offer them. Offering a value-added offer such as a complimentary social media audit. So what you can do is that you can audit one platform for them free of charge and provide quick tips for improvement. Explain to them what those issues are and why they're problematic. And after that, you can tell them how you can help them, which is your offers and your sales pitch. Remember, don't be afraid to give free advice because the more value you provide to your potential clients, the more they're gonna trust you. And guess what? Eventually, they'll be more likely to remember and hire you when they're ready to invest in a social media manager. Another really effective way of landing clients, and I bet you probably never heard of this, is by partnering up with a non-competing service provider in your niche. For example, if you offer social media management, consider reaching out to partners who provide services like SEO or PPC or website development for businesses in your niche. So set up a coffee date or Zoom meetings to network with people who work in these related services and see if there are opportunities to work together.